Cooking with Bob, we're here today. I'm going to show you a little bacon hack. Do you use a bacon press to keep your bacon from getting curled ends? Or will you use the Cooking with Bob method? Let me know in the comments how it worked out for you.
Couple pounds of bacon going. Alright, here's the example, but I'm going to have to move this so you can see it. My trick, my bacon trick. See this piece? I don't like curly bacon, I don't know why. The trick is, just take your spatula and cut a relief cut right where it's flipping up. See how easy that is? Here's another piece. Let me move this piece. See how this end is? Flipped up, just find about the center. Put a little relief cut in there. Bam, flat bacon. That thing will just lay right down. And that's all you have to do. Prevent that curly bacon. I got bacon presses and all that jazz, but I don't use them. I just do that. I'm all about cooking easy. 50 years of cooking that I can do faster, easier, better. So there you have it. That's how I do it. Just wanted to show you a couple tricks how I get my curly end of my bacon resolved. So as always, if you like my videos, I'd appreciate a like, subscribe, and click that notification button.